How to use a grass seed slicer. If newly sown grass seeds are not in firm contact with the soil, they're unlikely to sprout adequately, and young seedlings that develop will have trouble getting established. When grass seeds are sown over existing turf to rejuvenate a lawn, the established turf may prevent the seeds from reaching the soil, and the seeds might not sprout, or germinate, successfully. A slice seeder, also called a slit seeder, is available at many rental centers and may be a solution to the problem of overseeding. The seeder is equipped with cutting blades that create vertical furrows in the soil. After the furrows are cut, the machine drops grass seeds, which are carried in a hopper on the seeder, into the furrows and smooths the soil over the seeds. The actions of the machine ensure that the seeds have soil contact and are likely to germinate. Mowing and dethatching. Before you begin seeding, mow your lawn to a height of about 1 inch. Then check the lawn for excessive buildup of dead grass, called thatch. Too much thatch can prevent the seeder from effectively cutting furrows and getting the seeds into contact with the soil. If your lawn's thatch layer is more than ½ inch thick, then use a power rake or dethatching machine to remove the thatch before you sow seeds. Seeding. Check the label of the grass seeds you're using to find the recommended seeding rate for them. Set the seeding rate on the seeder to 1/2 the recommended rate, and fill the machine's hopper with the seeds. Start the seeder's engine, and guide it to make parallel passes across the entire area to be seeded. After you've covered the entire area, make another series of passes across the entire area, this time at a 45-degree angle to the first series of passes. This technique results in thorough seed coverage of the entire area and spaces the seeds close together so that a dense turf can establish quickly. Watering. Water the lawn thoroughly immediately after seeding to settle the seeds into the soil, establishing sufficient seed-to-soil contact. Over the next 8 to 10 days, water 2 or 3 times daily for 5 to 10 minutes each time, saturating the top 1 inch of soil so the grass seeds receive plenty of moisture until they germinate. After the seeds germinate, water the lawn once each day for 15 to 30 minutes each time until the young seedlings are well established, which typically occurs about 8 weeks after they were sown.